Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Shirogorov Custom Division Quantum here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's get started because this is just a truly special knife. It's the Shirogorov Custom Division Quantum, blue bronze anodized zirconium backspacer. I said that this was probably said that this was titanium somewhere in my review, but actually we checked and this is zirconium, so fantastic. So in order for you to disassemble this guy, you're gonna need a couple things, because this is this is just keyed in pivot, so you're gonna need like a regular tool for the Shirogorov pivot. But look at this screw over here. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to disassemble with this kind of tool, or just with this kind of tool, which is just a Shirogorov pen. You're gonna need a custom division pen to perform the task. And my buddy Guillaume just sent me this one to do this video. Inside you're gonna see just a couple of bits. One is the regular one for the pivot, and the other one has this special bit which is for the handle. So it goes in one way only, so just make sure you use like this end, and then you just go down like that and just gently unscrew the screw, the handle screw, like so. Let me see. So this goes like this, and just be gentle, take your time, there's no rush, life's too short. There you go. So this is out, and then change the bit. Pivot screw is right over here, and it's out. Gentle, you don't want to scratch this beauty over here. And you have this oversized pivot. Look at that, you can see the serial number on the inside. So this guy goes here, and let's see. Okay, just be careful, you see, because when you disassemble and then the blade is not going to be centered, so if you just pull it, you might risk to scratch it up against the handle. So just center it and then open it up like that. So let's just use this side over here. And of course here we've got roller bearings which are loose, so just take your time, make sure that you do everything slowly and you do it on a mat. So we're pretty lucky here. They were together like nice brothers. So guys, I'm not sure if this is actually zirc, because it's pretty light and kind of like looks like anodized titanium. By the weight, I probably would say this is titanium, but I don't know. Let me know if you have more specific information, because on Recon One website it says titanium, but I saw a video with Vlad and Sergey mentioning that this is zirc backspacer, so I don't know. I'm a little bit confused, but let me know. All right. Okay, cool. And so now you can notice that here you have some nice hardened steel washers to do the job. And just remove the bearings from this. Okay. So also you see that the pivot is keyed in with this ball bearing and with this indentation right over here inside the pivot. So make sure that you don't lose this ball over here like that. Just remove it carefully. So we are pretty much done. All right. Let's make sure that these, all right, that's here. Very cool. All right, now we're gonna take just a alcohol swipe, like a swab, and we're gonna do the pivot, the stop pin, sorry. This is something that I like to do because, you know, it's like it's kind of relaxing, and it's a Zen process. It just it's like kind of like a meditation in a way. I mean, of course, it's not comparable to actual meditation, but it is nice and relaxing. I think it can be frustrating at times because it might be tedious for some people, but I kind of enjoy this process because, you know, these are my knives, and I like to maintain, I like to clean them up, I like to tune them up, so I like to do this. All right, so and while we are here, let's just take a second to admire the inside of these scales, because you don't see the inside of a Quantum custom division that often. You just see it outside, if you're lucky, because, by the way, there's only 50 of these made, so it's kind of like a special one, of course. Like, I mean, all the custom division from Shirogorov, pretty rare and pretty expensive. We can also just clean the scales on the outside and the inside of the pivot. Look at that. Pretty cool pivot color, by the way. And this bronze anodization, oh my god. Look at this. When it dries out, kind of changes the color, goes back to this bronze. Super cool. Really, really nice. Beautiful. Okay, scale is done. Let's do the other scale. This is the pin for the backspacer. Let's just clean the inside like so. Nice milling pockets to reduce the weight, of course. And gunk is gone. Wow, guys, look at the custom screw right over here on the inside for the lock face insert, which is just like poking out like, and it's, I mean, level of machining of this knife is outstanding. It's crazy. Hidden screw for the pocket clip. Look at the milling. The cleanliness of this milling is ridiculous. Single roll, roller bearing, logo, custom division, serial number, right over there. All right. So we are done with the scales. Let's just clean up the bearings. So when they tend to be, actually, you know what? Let's just use another one of these guys, because that was pretty dirty. So when it's like that, I tend to be lucky, I say, because I can just do this. They are kept together, and I'm gonna take advantage of that. So I'm just gonna clean like that, making them roll a couple times, and I'm just gonna put it back like this because it's cleaning. Now I'm soaking the rollers and rotating all the cage with the bearings on the inside, and it's enough. I mean, they're clean, and if they're there, that is beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. It's gonna save a lot of time, and it's gonna make the video shorter. Oh, look at that, this bugger. All right, so let's do also this one like this. Very nice. So that is done. Let's also clean up the washer. So remember the side, of course, that goes against, which is this one, goes against the scale. There we go. Now we can start reassembling. Let's just clean up this. Guys, I think this is titanium anodized, you know. I'll ask Vlad. He knows. All right. That is it. Let's see, we clean this one. Yeah. And we are good to go. All right. So since the pivot, like here, is the one we need to, and it's like in presentation side, it's the one we need first. We're gonna have to start like that and like this. This is right over here. So boom, this is done. So make sure that that's in the right position. Flip it over like this. Okay. Make sure it's keyed in. Make sure the washer is in place, and let's just drop this bearing in. And you know what, we can just spin it like that and give it like an extra little clean, like so. And then you've got just to drop this guy in. So that is done. And then stop pin is in, and then we're gonna do the pin for the backspacer, which, by the way, if you check, like, come on guys, look at the, I mean, this is the indentation just to hold the backspacer. When you reassemble the knife, see, like that, this goes here, and the backspacer is in place, so it doesn't really move that much. So I think it's facilitating the assembly of the knife. But anyways, let's go ahead. So now we can do the blade like so, and that's in. Beautiful. Make sure that it's up against that bearing system, and we are almost done. So yeah, maybe let's see if like this it's easier. Kind of. No, not really. So let's just go back to the old technique, which is just dropping it like so. Here we go. And last one is in. Very good. There is just a little piece of, what is this? Okay, so now just center the bearing, okay, and okay, that fell. So this side, I think, was this one. So we're gonna just do like so, and we're gonna hope that they are centered and aligned, because this guy goes in like that. And like this. Yes, I think we're in business. Yeah, so just keep it pressed, and let's just do the pivot like so. So another difference that I noticed with the tools is that this side is not spinning, whereas on the tool, actually, you see you have you can use this up against the palm of your hand, and this is gonna spin. So you have lots of traction. With this one, you don't, because you have the pocket clip. So it's absolutely cool, of course, but I think it's less functional. Okay, so let's just do like this, and then we're gonna take care of the tuning. Let's just check that everything is in place, everything is aligned, everything is in there, and then just do this like so, and this is in. All right. Actually, if you see, this kind of unscrews, because this is the cap that holds the bits. All right, so let's see. Let's make sure that this is fully tightened, like so. That's nice. Don't over tighten that. Let's see. That's a little bit too tight. Yes. So let's just do a little bit less. Something like that. Still tight. We might be needing a little bit of blade is perfectly centered. Of course, no blade play. Let me see, because we need to unscrew the pivot a little bit more. I don't think so. Let's see. No, we need a little bit. I'm gonna just tighten this guy a little bit more, and let me see if a little drop of nano oil, heavy weight, 85 weight, is helping on just on the detent. All right, not on the bearings, but just a little drop. So the detent is, wow, it's like up close right there. Okay, because there's a nice detent ball ramp, of course, and also need to say that this is a brand new one, so still needs to be broken in. That's pretty smooth. But still, let me see, maybe we can, yeah. Nice. That's very smooth, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Guys, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.